Swipe down from the top of the screen to open the smartphone's Quick Settings menu. Swipe a second time to expand the menu. Tap on Location and on Bluetooth to activate it. Swipe up to close the menu. Now you can launch the OKM Fusion Lite app. From the main menu you can start the operating modes Magnetometer or 3D ground scan. You can also open your saved measurements, adjust settings and get further information on your device. With 3D ground scan, treasure hunters can visualize detected structures and objects in three-dimensional representations. These scan images allow to determine the position, size and depth of targets and can be further analyzed in OKM's detection software Visualizer 3D Studio. First, start the Fusion Lite app and select 3D ground scan. After selecting the desired operating mode, the internal Bluetooth will automatically connect the probe with the smartphone. A successful connection is indicated by the blue trigger LED on the probe. Choose between the options, Default, and Customized. You may select Customized to adjust the scan settings individually. Choose between scan modes, Zigzag, and Parallel. Use Impulse Mode, Automatic, for smooth and flat terrain or Manual mode for rough scan fields. Choose Automatic, Field Length or set the scan line length individually before the scan. Go to the bottom right corner of the scan field and start walking as soon as you press the trigger button on the probe. If you choose Automatic, Impulse Mode and Field Length, walk until you reach the end of the scan line and press the trigger again to finish the line. Prepare for your next line by going to its starting point. Press the trigger button and start walking. Repeat this for all scan lines. Keep the probe straight in vertical orientation and at the same height above the ground. Do not pivot or rotate it. The scan image will be generated line by line during the scan and immediately displayed on the smartphone. Finish and save your scan after scanning the last line. Enter a file name and the scan field dimensions. In View mode, you can scale and rotate the scan image for further analysis. Connect the smartphone to the notebook via USB cable. Swipe down on the smartphone display to open the notifications. The latest Android system notification informs you that this device is currently charging via USB. Tap to open the notification and tap once more to see more options. In the lower section of the USB preferences you see that data transfer is currently not activated. Click on File Transfer to enable it. Swipe up to close the USB preferences. Open the Windows Explorer on the notebook by clicking on the folder icon, or by using shortkey Windows key +E. Find your smartphone in the left sidebar. Here it is called BV6300. Click on it and open Internal Shared Storage to see all folders. Navigate to Documents, OKM, Fusion Lite, Scans. Select the scan files and drag and drop them to the desktop. From here you can open the desired scan file. With the Fusion Lite Magnetometer mode you can detect metal objects near the surface in real time. It is used to clear the scan field before performing a 3D ground scan. First, start the Fusion Lite app and select Magnetometer. After selecting the desired operating mode, the internal Bluetooth will automatically connect the probe with the smartphone. A successful connection is indicated by the blue trigger LED on the probe. Move the probe slowly in any direction, forwards, backwards, to the left and to the right, but keep the probe straight in vertical orientation. Do not pivot or rotate it. The The scan results will be displayed immediately on the smartphone display. If the signal becomes unstable, stop moving the probe and push the trigger button to perform a ground balance. As soon as the fusion light detects a strong signal, the scan values will increase and reach its peak directly above the target object. The red signals moving upwards are positive magnetic poles of ferromagnetic objects. The blue signals moving downwards are negative magnetic poles.